Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix the issue of not receiving the Supercell ID verification code. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Mail. Next, select Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all your email accounts. Make sure the email account associated with your Supercell ID is active. If it's not, you'll need to add or activate it. Once you find the correct email account, tap on it. Then, toggle on the mail option to ensure that you are receiving emails for that account. Now, open your email app and check for the Supercell verification mail. It should be there, but if you still don't see the verification code, there might be another issue. Next, check if you're using a VPN. Sometimes VPNs can interfere with receiving verification codes. To turn off any VPN, go back to Settings, then tap on General. Scroll down and select VPN and Device Management. Tap on VPN and toggle it off. And that's it. You should now be able to receive the Supercell verification code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.